now a lot about New Year's Eve and New Year's Day, and we see these greetings going out, but whose New Year's is it? Because it's not the first of Muharram, so it's definitely not the Islamic New Year. If you look at years and how they're organized, every culture, every religion has their own calendar. There's a Chinese calendar, which is lunar. There's a Jewish calendar, which is also lunar. There is the Islamic calendar that begins on the first of Muharram, and it's not from the Sunnah to celebrate the first of Muharram either. So whose New Year's is on January 1st? If we look at the historic research done by the National Geographic Society in the book An Uncommon History of Common Things, we find that this New Year's that we find it celebrated today in the world was started in Babylon. In Babylon, there was an 11-day celebration around what is now called January 1st. What was this celebration for? It was a ritual to worship the idol Marduk, their chief god. And this Marduk ritual was where there were parades, ringing a bell, New Year's Day parade. There were plays, there was worship, there was sacrifices to the fidelity gods. And this was something that was done as a pagan idol worshipping ritual. Now, in 46 BC, and that is before Jesus. This is not something that even has to do with Christianity. Julius Caesar in the Roman Empire took this Babylonian ritual and made January the first month and named Augustus, August, all these after the Roman pagan gods and people. When Christianity came to Rome, according to the National Geographic Society, they tried to condemn this. They tried to stop this idol worshipping holiday, but they were unable to. So today we see a part of the Western society, and even in the East, and even unfortunately in the Middle East and in Africa, we see people celebrating this celebration, not realizing that in fact it is an idol worshipping religious festival. That is why for any Muslim or Christian or Jew or whoever wants to follow their religion, they will not celebrate this idol worshipping holiday on the eve of the 31st of December or on the 1st of January. This is not our New Year. This is a day that was for sacrifice and worship of idols.